Oil's in it. We just released or bled the clutch. Coolant's in it. I'm actually nervous. All right, try starting it.
Hold on.
Fair. Well, do we have a jerry can? I'll run to the gas station real quick.
You're good.
We're good.
Okay.
Thank you. I do have 6 gears now.
Boy.
So.
All right.
This might. So. Well, I know it's not leaking anything.
Brother. Try it.
Now
Cheat
it's
code.
really not doing anything.
Now do it. That's because bad connection. Or it needs to be jumped. Try it.
Well, I think the starter took a crap. You did hook it up? Oh.
Are these?
No, they're not new coils. They are new spark plugs, though. Car, please start. It wants to. Let's give her a shot.
We're gonna turn on Freebird and then Hobic.
Brother.
Ready? No!
I'm ready. I'm recording and I'm on the phone. I don't know how the audio's gonna be, but
We don't have any audio.
dang it.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Come on, man!
Let it idle for a second.
Give it some gas!
Why does it sound like that?
Because it's flooded. Doing it. It's
my
got to
God,
be.
Yeah, keep going.
He's got no
Huh?
throttle response.
Holy crap! It's idling by itself. Okay, it's late. Leave it. All right, now we just got to get the hood and the bumper on. It starts, it runs, it's good.
And
Gotta-
it's slow. Damn.